This is a banana, a very common fruit and easy to see within your daily life. You can do anything with it. Eat it, bake it, cook with it, or even make an artwork with it. But what will happen if it is attached with Google and with an AI called Gemini AI? A brand new AI for generating images has been released by Google for a few weeks, which, called Nano Banana, is a very smart tool to create an image on your own. This is a little comparison between the three most common tools to generate images. One is Nano Banana. All these pictures are generated with the same prompt, and you could see a clear difference with the depth of field and lighting on each, right? And what's more interesting is that this banana is totally free to use. I mean, 100%. You won't need to pay for it. Sounds cool, right? In today's video, I will show you how I generated these images with this banana, and show you why do this AI stand out among the well-known ones. Let's get started. First things first, this banana is included within the Gemini website, so you just need to access the website, as you could see right here. However, there are still another website which also includes it. I will show you later. Now, notice a little bit, this feature is faster with the Flash model, so just choose it to interact with. Click the Tools box and choose the Image option, with a banana next to it. Then, paste the prompt into the box to let it generate for you. Basically, this is what it should be. These are all the elements that the prompt contains, from the appearance to the background. Comes with the techniques requires. You can adjust few more things you want for the image. Now, send the prompt, then I think I won't even need to speed up the process because the generation is really fast. A very big advantage compared to other AI models, which I will demonstrate after. Just take about 10 seconds to finish. And here is the result. The result came out, but it doesn't look like the first image on the video, right? However, you could see the details are pretty good, and it doesn't look very artificial like ChatGPT does. So, basically, this banana has done a great job. You just need to re-render it over and over to let the result meet your expectation. Okay, that was the Nano Banana's performance in Gemini. Next, we are heading Google AI Studio to see what's the difference between those two websites. In fact, I love this website more than Gemini since I can do more things in the studio, which I can integrate the Gemini API, and of course, more advanced settings. But that is just advanced users. Normal users still could use Gemini AI as usual. Now, paste the prompt into the box to let it generate normally. And wait for the result. All right, it's done. You could see the image came up with the time to create the picture at the bottom. Very fast, right? For me, I prefer the one in this website more, because the lighting and effect are more viable to see, which is more vibrant. However, this is still not the final result. As I said, you might need several tries for the last product, so please be patient then.
A few moments later.
Okay, after about 6 tries, I finally got the best model for myself. Pretty cool, right? The detail on this one is insane, totally outstanding than those previous. One more thing I like about the studio is that you won't need to sign in to use this feature. Just do it anonymously, and you still make use of every features available. But yeah, this website is not free. Unlike Gemini AI, this website costs token to limit the use of the AI. As you can see here, I have used over 3,000 of 32,000 tokens available to materialize the prompt. However, this is just for advanced purposes. The free one is still very good to use, so don't mind about the pricing that much. All right, let's head a little bit to ChatGPT to see how it could do. The one I am using is the free GPT-5 model, the latest version of it, which is the best one currently. Paste the prompt into it, then. The prompt is exactly the same, by the way. Send it to let the AI generate the image. Also, I will count the time it costs to make a single picture like this one. Well, it took me 1 minute and 40 seconds to generate a single picture, a quite big number compared to 12 seconds of Nano Banana. And take a look at the result. This one still looks very artificial, especially the face you could see right here. Also, the lighting is pretty bad. Almost no sign of natural lighting in this image. I guess I won't need to talk much about the difference here. You just need to know that the banana definitely wins with this category. Also, this banana is very good at editing pictures, especially at removing objects and replacing it with another one without efforts. I mean, it is very fast, too. In this case, I ask it to remove the bird cage and replace it with a table. The peace sign will be replaced by a thumbs up. And the result is here, too. The AI did very good, right? No errors were caused. The picture is perfect, as I expected. Compared to those of ChatGPT, the appearance of the model is totally different. I mean, everything is different from the original one, from the character to the background. Nothing is identical. And it took a long time, too. This banana totally changes the game right now. No need for you to use Photoshop anymore. Well, I guess this should be the end of the video today. I will show you many cool features with this new AI in other videos. I'm very optimistic about the future of this AI. So, please leave a like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest video. Your loves toward my channel really motivates me a lot. Stay safe, have fun, and see you next time.